They have two doors outside of an apartment building that slide back and forth to cover up the utility cabinet. So security is not a big issue, but they do need it covered. They had two 4-foot by 80-inch doors made from wood that have rotten and fallen off. So they want metal. Construction adhesive is on there. Now I'm gonna pre-drill the metal. Hesitates a minute as it's penetrating the metal. That's how you know it's grabbed, and that thing is in there. And I'm actually gonna put 3 wheels on each door, because with real heavy doors, I like to spread out the load. So it doesn't really matter where this goes. I generally put them about 4 inches from each end, one in the middle. But what is important is I want to get this thing centered up. Now, whatever way I put this, I want all of them facing this way, because it's easier to install it. I'm going to use this 2-inch long self-tapping metal screw. We'll be able to slip in there and roll it. So we'll do 3 of these on each door. So here are the doors I'm replacing. This is just one of them. They're junky, and it's a shame to replace doors and just leave old crappy hardware. So that's why I have NewTrack. 3 wheels in here ready to go. See, I left 2 inches on the end so I can take the wheels in and out to get them in, and also if there ever needs to be a repair. I'm gonna set the door into place like this, and I'll just tilt it up, connect one wheel. Once that wheel's connected, I'll just tilt the door back up and connect the next wheel. I've just set the door in place on top of these guides, and look at my bracket. I've got at least a 1/2 inch I can move the door up, which is good. I'm gonna tilt it up and slide that wheel in. So that wheel's in. Just push the wheel using my 5-in-1 tool. I just push it in there. I'm not gonna lock that thing into place. I don't need to. See, I can lift it up by this hole and it slides. This is an oak wedge. I'm just gonna lift the door up, put that wedge underneath it. Now I've got it at the right height. So I just push that door into place, line it up, push the wheel in there. If that looks good, I'll push that thing in. There. So after we've got our wheels attached, tracks are in there. Just pop in these door pulls. We don't care about this. These are not made to lock. We just want to make sure everything closes properly, and we have a nice even gap down here. And when the doors are in place, you don't want them to swing on their own. So everything's pretty level and they're looking good.